how to single out a color in Photoshop. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go and make a mask by quick selection tool or whatever selection tool you like. So I'm going to go with the object selection tool, and I'm going to make a quick mask on the color that I want to select. So I'm going to select these three colors and select and mask. Go on to select and mask option. As I go to select and mask option, so this is the option, and I have to click on OK. As I click on OK, it is the mask I have selected. Now I have to click on this layer. I have to again click on this layer. As I click on this layer, I have to go with this mask that is hue and saturation, and I have to change the saturation of this mask. So it will only change the saturation of this mask. So I have to put it back over here, and then I have to go back and select the layer again. As I select the layer again, then I have to go to hue and saturation, and now I can change the hue and saturation of the whole thing. Now as I change the hue and saturation, or I can change the saturation only, it will only be effective on the areas that are not selected by the mask. So this is how you can single out a color in Photoshop. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.